Hey there, YouTubers. So, I've noticed in my analytics, which is like a counting system for YouTube, that people are watching about 50% of my videos. So, in other words, 50% of the length of the video, and I spend a lot of time on these things, but that's okay. I understand the boredom can set in. So, somebody posted something on a Facebook page, and I thought it was pretty damn hilarious. So, I went out in search of more videos, and so I don't know what it is that people have against washing machines, but I've put together a really short, so you ought to be able to make it to the end of this one, a really short compilation of washing machine destruction. I just kind of found it humorous, and well, I don't know, maybe you guys will too. Anyway, if you like it, or if you don't, I'm posting it. So take care. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you get a second, like it or subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.